In this video, we're diving into how to fully set up SEOPress and optimize your WordPress posts for Google. What's up, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your first website and actually get it working. If you've ever felt confused by SEO plugins or just overwhelmed by settings that sound technical but don't explain themselves, then this tutorial is going to simplify the entire process. Let's get SEOPress up and running so that your site is clean, crawlable, and ranking ready. What exactly is SEOPress? SEOPress is a WordPress plugin designed to enhance the search engine optimization, or SEO, of your website. In simple terms, it helps your website appear higher in search engine results like Google, Bing, and others. It provides a range of tools and settings that allow website owners to optimize various aspects of their website to make it more appealing to search engines. This includes things like managing meta descriptions, titles, sitemaps, and structured data, as well as analyzing content and performance metrics. SEOPress aims to simplify the complex world of SEO, making it accessible to users of all skill levels so that you can improve your website's visibility and attract more traffic. Now, why use SEOPress? Before we jump into the settings, let's talk for a second about why SEOPress is a good pick. It's lightweight, doesn't clutter up your dashboard, works well with just about every theme and page builder, and it comes with powerful features right out of the box. You get a lot of flexibility, including full control over indexing, titles, sitemaps, schema, and even built-in AI tools. It also doesn't push you into a maze of upsells like some other SEO plugins. All right, let's go ahead and start setting this up. Optimize your website for Google with SEOPress. Now, if you don't already have a WordPress website and you want one, then we recommend Hostinger. Hostinger is where I host my own personal website and where we host myfirstwebsite.com. If you want to get started with Hostinger, we've got a link for you down in the description below, which will bring you to this page right here. Here you can either start for free or click on See Plans to see two of their most popular plans, the Premium Website Builder and the Business Website Builder. If this is your very first website, go ahead and go with the Premium Website Builder. If you want a little bit more features, then go with the Business Website Builder. Either one of these are going to be great for your very first website. Personally, I went with the Business Website Builder for my own website, but for this example, I'll go ahead and choose the Premium Website Builder and we'll click on Choose Plan. Now, from here, you just select the term that you want to commit to, whether that's a month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. For this example, I'll choose 12 months. And then the last thing you want to do here is come to the coupon code and type in My First Website and click Apply to save even more money. And then for only $43.09, you get a full year of hosting with Hostinger. So again, use the link down in the description and code My First Website at checkout to get started with Hostinger. Step 1, installing SEOPress. All right, once you've gone ahead and got your hosting through Hostinger and you've got WordPress set up, we're going to go to the WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins and Add New, and we're going to search for SEOPress. So from our dashboard, we'll come over here to Plugins and we'll click on Add Plugin. From here, just type in SEOPress and click Search, and here we go. This is what we're looking for right here. As you can see, it's got 5 stars with 1,100 ratings and over 300,000 active installations. So go ahead and click on Install Now. And once that's installed, we'll click on Activate. Now, if you bought the Pro version, go ahead and upload the zip file by clicking Upload Plugin, install, and activate that as well. That just unlocks some more advanced tools. Now, once it's installed, you'll notice a new SEO tab in the WordPress sidebar. So let's start with some important global settings. Step 2, clean up the junk. What not to index. Now, there are a lot of parts of your WordPress site that don't need to be in Google search results. Things like tag pages, archives, cart and checkout pages, search result pages, and feeds. They clutter your sitemap, waste crawl budget, and they don't offer much value to searchers. To clean this up, head into the titles and meta section in SEOPress. You'll go through a few tabs here, pages and posts. So over here on the left-hand side, we'll go ahead and click on the titles and metas over here. So for the pages and posts, your main pages, posts, and if you're running a shop products, we want to leave these open for indexing. These are your core content areas. So for here, we want to leave posts on, we want to leave pages on, and if we had products, we want to leave that on as well. Archives and taxonomies. Now, this is where things get messy. You'll want to no index author archives, no index date archives, no index category pages, unless they offer unique content, no index tags. Most of these archive pages are auto-generated and they don't have enough value to rank. Better to keep them out of Google altogether. So we'll come over here to archives, we'll come to author archives and make sure that this is checked. Do not display these archives. For the date archives, we'll want to make sure that's checked as well. And coming to taxonomies, we'll want to check this here for categories, and we want to make sure that tags is checked as well there. Step 3, set up sitemaps. Head into the XML sitemap settings and turn on the sitemap feature. This generates a list of all the pages and posts that you want search engines to find. Here's what you do want to include: posts, pages, products if you're running WooCommerce, product categories. And here's what you should exclude: tags, regular regular categories unless they contain original content. Media, you don't want individual image pages in your search results. There's also an HTML sitemap feature that you can turn on. That gives you a page on your site listing everything clearly for visitors. Just copy the shortcode that SEOPress gives you and paste it into a new WordPress page. Okay, so we'll click over here on the XML HTML sitemap. Again, we're going to want to include posts, pages, products, and product categories. So we got posts, pages, we'll leave floating elements and media off. We'll have categories. We'll turn off regular categories, and we'll make sure that tags is unchecked as well, and click Save Changes. Now, if we come here to that HTML sitemap, this is where you can go ahead and get the shortcode and paste this onto a new page. Step 4, use the Universal SEO Meta Box. Now, this is one of SEOPress's most useful features. Unlike other plugins that clutter your editor screen, SEOPress gives you a simple icon that floats in the corner of your post or page editor. You can click it and you get access to all your key SEO settings: page title, meta description, social previews, robots meta, canonical URLs, and when you don't need it, it disappears with one click. Pretty clean and simple. You can also activate this box on the front end. So if you're logged into your site and browsing a live page, the SEO icon will appear in the corner. Click it and you can update that page's SEO settings on the fly. No need to dig through the back end. Now, if you don't see the floating icon, go to SEO, Advanced, Appearance, and make sure the Universal Meta Box is enabled. So to go ahead and see that in action, let's go ahead and come to Pages, and we'll go ahead and click on Add Page. Now here, this is where we can go ahead and see the SEO stuff down here at the bottom to go ahead and help us out. Step 5, speed up SEO with AI tools. Pro feature. Now, if you did go with the Pro version, SEOPress Pro includes a surprisingly helpful AI feature that writes page titles and meta descriptions for you. You'll need to enter your OpenAI API key in the SEOPress settings first. Just go to SEO Pro AI and paste your key in and click Save. Once that's done, open up any post or page, click the SEO icon, and now you'll see a button that says Generate Meta Title with AI, Generate Meta Description with AI. You can click those as many times as you want to get different versions. Then tweak, shorten, or combine them until you're happy. Then just click Save. There's also a bulk AI tool. So you can go to your pages or post list, select a bunch of pages, and use the bulk action dropdown to generate titles and descriptions with AI for all of them at once. It's a huge time saver if you've got dozens or hundreds of pieces of content. Step 6, add schema, structured data. Schema helps search engines understand what your content is. SEOPress lets you add it manually or automatically. If you're running a local business, blog, or e-commerce store, start by going to SEO and then schemas. From there, click Add Schema. Pick a type like product or local business and fill in the details. You can choose which pages or posts it should appear on, even by post ID if needed. If you want to go deeper, there's also a custom schema option. You can paste in your own JSON LD code, set where it shows up, and keep full control. You don't need to get fancy. Even basic schema is better than none. Search engines like having that extra context. Step 7, connect Google Search Console. Now, if you want to track impressions, clicks, and rankings directly inside WordPress, SEOPress Pro lets you connect to Google Search Console and pull that data into your dashboard. Here's how. Go to SEO, Pro, Google Search Console, and enable it and follow the instructions to connect your Google Search Console account. Choose your domain and pick a date range, like 7 days, 28 days, and once it's set up, you can see how many clicks a page gets, your average ranking position, click-through rate, and impressions. It's a great way to spot which posts are climbing, which need help, and how your changes are performing over time. I just have the basic version of SEOPress, so I can't show you that right now, but if you follow the on-screen instructions, it's very simple. Step 8, advanced settings to clean things up. SEOPress also helps tidy up WordPress so you're not leaking unnecessary data or cluttering your source code. Robots.txt and htaccess. So to get there, you'll go to SEO, go to Pro, and here you can edit your robots.txt file and htaccess files directly. Use robots.txt to block Google from crawling tag pages, internal search pages, or anything else that doesn't belong in search. Use htaccess for redirects or simple security tweaks, but only if you know what you're doing. You can remove junk meta tags. Just go to SEO, Advanced Settings, and check the options like remove WordPress version tag, remove short links, manifest files, generator tags, and remove author and comment URLs. Disable RSS feeds if you're not using them, and this just cuts down on stuff that clutters your code and gives bots less noise to crawl. Image alt text automation. If you name your images well, like bluerunningshoes.jpg, SEOPress can automatically generate alt tags, title tags, captions, which are optional. It pulls that data from the file name, saving you time and improving accessibility at the same time. Just go to SEO, Advanced, and turn on those options under Image SEO. It's one of those quiet wins that adds up over time. So we'll come over here here, we'll come down to advanced, and this is where you can go ahead and navigate to all these settings. So under advanced, this is where we can remove WordPress generator meta tag, remove short links, and this is where you can go ahead and make all those changes. And make sure once you go ahead and do all that, you hit save changes. Now, if we come here to image SEO, this is where we can go ahead and change those image alt text options. And again, don't forget to save your changes afterwards. Step 9, watch out for non-index mistakes. One of the most common SEO issues is accidentally telling Google not to index your site. So head to settings and then reading in WordPress and check the box labeled discourage search engines from indexing this site is not checked. SEOPress actually adds a warning banner if the setting is on, which is super helpful. Still, it's worth double checking. You should also review the non-index settings that we mentioned earlier under each section, especially pages, posts, and products, just to make sure you're not blocking content that should be showing up in search. So we'll come over here, we'll come to settings, and we're gonna go to reading, and this is what you want to make sure is not checked. If it is checked, uncheck it and click save your changes. Step 10, export your settings and back them up. If you've got SEOPress dialed in exactly how you want it, you can export your settings and import them to another site. Just go to SEO, Tools, Import Export, click Export, and you'll get a file with all your current configurations. You can import that file on another WordPress website to save time and stay consistent. You can also migrate from plugins like Yoast or Rank Math right here. So we'll come over here to SEO and we'll go to Tools, and we're gonna wanna look for Export right here. So once you dial in your settings, you can export that and import into another WordPress website if you so choose. So SEOPress gives you the tools to control how your site shows up in search results without needing to be an expert. It doesn't overwhelm you with fluff. And once it's set up right, most of it just runs quietly in the background. Now remember, focus on indexing only the pages that matter. Use AI to save time without being lazy. Monitor performance with real data from Google. Keep your site clean, simple, and fast. Now, if this video helped you out, go ahead and drop a comment and let me know how SEOPress setup is going. And if you want more beginner-friendly SEO tips, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to get started with Hostinger, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next one.